我会语言啊。哦，对。这边要拿棉被吗？
要啊！等下谁家这个爸爸去把它看。
The house was also affected.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is the second time. And you know what? During the 2006, we helped her. That time she's still not our volunteer. But because after we helped her, then later on.
我们只是做不要紧的哈，都是在一家人哈。
慈济功德会的创办人在台湾花莲，他知道我们马六甲有发生的水灾然后他们每个也靠近我们的会所，师父叫我们一定要关心，然后送我们上人的祝福给大家，让大家接下来呢都平平安安这个是我们是矿泉水的这个环保回来洗干净了，做成一粒一粒，然后呢再做成线，再制成被单。
棉被我们一起支付啊。
祝福你们
祝福你们。
Be happy, farewell, and happy. Be free from all sort of physical ailments, mentally happy, comfortable, peaceful life.
师父祝福大家都快乐，
平安吉祥，快乐健康。
水的
好，
感恩大家，
谢谢。
有空到慈济走走哦。
好。OK，谢谢。OK。
Yes, indeed, it is my very first time going such type of volunteer service, and I am very impressed the way we go door to door to help the victimized people. I think this is a very humanitarian and meritorious deed service. As Buddhists, we are really practicing Buddhism in action, so we must broaden this type of service not only in Malaysia, it should be broadened throughout the world.
Maybe in Nepal or
yeah, when I went to door in the world, there are so many people who are in need of help, support from the people like us. So I feel similarly in Nepal also there are many families, many people who are in reality they are in need of such help and support, volunteer service from organization like Suchi. So a thought came up in my mind that I should also do the similar service to my Nepalese people.